I am making a zucchini cake with a boxed cake mix. All right, I got my spice cake here. I am replacing my water with milk and my oil. I got all my ingredients in here. Let me just go ahead and mix this all up. Stir it around. Now if you want to add raisins or dried cranberries in here, you can. I'm gonna take my pan, spray it. I have to tell you, I love this new pan. I didn't know if I would like it or not. My mom's 50-year-old pan was pretty reliable, but I think this one's gonna be handed down to my kids. I really like it so far. All right, we're gonna spread this in our pan and bake it. Now you can make it into cupcakes or loaf pan or mini loaves if you want, or 2 square or round 9-inch pans with frosting in between. I'm just keeping it simple today. All right, here is my zucchini cake made with cake mix. There we go. Look at that. Oh my goodness, how delicious. Mmm.